We're just doing a final cleaning on the end caps here, because what we decided to do is we decided to nickel coat them. Okay. Alright, so we're back. We let these handles cure with the good filler. And we're going to sand them down. And then we're going to paint them red to match the factory color. Just got a piece of 120. Alright, we got a color that's a pretty close match. So we're going to put a coat on there. A couple coats. Alright, so looks pretty good. Okay, so we got the hardware from the vise, and we're going to go ahead now and use some permablue to cold blue these components. Okay, we're back. We rinsed the hardware off in cool tap water. Okay, we're back. We dried these off thoroughly with the heat gun. Now we're going to saturate them in lubricant. Alright, here we are. We're ready for reassembly. Okay. We completely repaired the handles. The handle collars we repaired, and then we nickel plated them. Really make them pop, and also make them corrosion resistant. We blued the hardware, and we cleaned up, sanded, not sanded, but we cleaned up, brass wooled the vice jaws. Okay, here's the pins that we're holding the handles on. Okay, they were very difficult to get off, and now I know why. They weren't straight pins. They actually are look like 10-penny finishing nails. We are not going to be putting these back. I guess you probably figured that out. Instead, we're going to utilize some brand new brass rod. That's going to be it. Oh, that's going to be nice. Real nice. Ready. So at this point, we're going to install the hardware. What we're going to utilize here during the install is weapon shield. This is gun grease. Alright, so we've tightened these up nice and even, and now we will install the handles, the freshly painted handles with the nickel-plated collars. Okay, so we're back. All right, so we had a little fun with those, the brass drift pins. Okay, forgetting, of course, that brass does not peen well. Yeah. So anyway, we switched over to two steel pins.